Hello, my name's Harry Cave, and I'm going to talk you through the new additions of the encryption tool in Oasys 19. The encryption tool was introduced in Oasys 18, allowing you to quickly encrypt materials and load curves within your model using PGP encryption. You can access this tool by going to the Others section in the Tools menu and then pressing Encrypt. In Oasys 19, we decided to expand upon this tool's capabilities by introducing customizable partial encryption, PGP comments, and also vendor options for licensing. You can now change the start line of the encryption by going to the encryption options and changing the encryption start line. This is the row where the tool will start encrypting the keyword from. For example, if you change the start line for the encryption to 3, then the keyword will be encrypted from row 3 onwards. This has the advantages of allowing you to see the material types, labels, and other desirable information, allowing you to carry out checking more robustly. The start line option is only available to materials at the current time. The addition of star vendor support allows you to set expiry dates for your encryption and include additional comment cards. To access these options, go to Encryption Options, then click Vendor Options. We have added support for star vendor date, allowing you to specify an expiry date for your encrypted text. PGP text encrypted with an expiry date will no longer run in LS-DYNA after the expiry date has been surpassed. In this example, the PGP text will expire in the year 2060 on February the 23rd. Additional lines allow you to give the user a message after the expiry date has surpassed. In this example, when the PGP text expires in 2023, when the user tries to run the model in LS-DYNA, the user will be greeted with a message saying the license has expired and for them to get in touch with their distributor. You can now add comments to PGP text. These comments have no effect on the encryption, however they do allow you to describe and organize PGP text. For example, Prime uses the comments primer full encrypt and primer partial encrypt as metadata to help identify associated PGP text. Thank you, and I hope you find these new additions to the encryption tool useful.